The outlook for South Africa's economy is showing early signs of improvement. Now, despite broader concern about a global slowdown, S&P Global Ratings is forecasting stronger growth for South Africa in the years ahead. Furthermore, the agency expects real GDP to increase between 1.3% and 1.6% annually from 2025 through to 2026, more than double the projected 0.6% growth for 2024. Additionally, the agency has affirmed the country's credit ratings at BB- and BB and kept its outlook positive, saying sustained reforms could lead to an upgrade. But it also warns that stalled progress or worsening infrastructure could put the outlook at risk. Economist Professor Walter Krugell adds his voice to the cautiously optimistic view.
There are some mixed signals about how the economy is doing. Statistics show that manufacturing and mining production have been contracting, and there are signs that consumers are tightening their belts. Good news is that the ratings agency S&P Global have maintained their positive outlook for South Africa's credit rating, seeing a recovery of the economy in the second half of the year. The important part to understand is that this is premised on an increase in investment in response to some tangible progress with the economic reforms that the GNU is undertaking. Investors need to see more progress with establishing an electricity market. They need to see more freight being railed by Transnet and more containers moving through the harbors. There is a lot of pressure on the Minister of Finance's third budget speech this week and President Ramaphosa's visit to the White House to help build momentum for reforms and confidence for investors.